Now, your WLKY weather with Chief Meteorologist Jay Cardosi.
Okay, nice weather outside right now. It's mild. It is mostly cloudy, but it's dry. It's going to stay this way for much of the night, so get out and enjoy because impact weather does arrive tomorrow morning in the form of showers, even a few storms. And folks, a couple of those could be strong to severe. More on that coming up in just a bit. Right now in town, all is quiet. The wind is light. It is mostly cloudy, but boy, those temperatures, whoop, they are elevated. We topped out at 62 degrees this afternoon. We're down 3 notches to 59 at this point in the game. The humidity continues to climb, a south wind around 6 miles per hour. Other temperatures, we have the low 50s in southern portions of Indiana, and you can see upper 50s, still close to 60 from the metro and points off to the south. But with south winds, that milder weather, it's going to win out throughout the course of the night, even into the first half of tomorrow as temperatures stay well above average. Here in southern Indiana, where we have low 50s right now, could be looking at a little bit of fog developing as the evening hours wear on, so something to keep in mind. Again, if you reside to the north of the Ohio River and north of the metro. Big picture showing just a couple of very light sprinkles or light rain showers this morning. Moving away, now things are nice and quiet. We do have plenty of clouds, but as I mentioned, no worries this evening. Any outdoor plans, go for it. But tomorrow, that changes. That's because this system, that spin you see coming out of the Rockies into the plains, that's a big storm system, a strong storm system that's making steady progress in our direction. Let's talk about it and what it's going to bring to the region. Midnight tonight, we're still just fine, cloudy and mild. Tomorrow morning, right around the morning commute or shortly thereafter, showers and storms will be spreading in from the west and southwest. And it looks like they will actually increase in coverage as we move through the morning, right through midday as the actual cold front starts moving through. It's tomorrow morning. You have showers and storms around the area. You have some wind energy. Some of those cells could tap into that energy and bring it down to the ground in the form of a damaging wind gust, even an isolated tornado spin up, especially the farther south you go. That cannot be ruled out, so there's at least a small risk for some severe weather, most notably in the morning. Here it is right here in the darker green, far southern Indiana through the metro and points southward. It's a marginal risk. In other words, on a scale of 1 to 5, it's a 1. So it's a small risk, but we can't rule it out. That's just it. So scattered strong wind gusts a possibility tomorrow morning, maybe an isolated spin up and even some small hail in the heaviest of the cores. Once this thing moves through, once the cold front's through, the colder air really funnels in tomorrow night. And look at this. This is Friday morning. Notice a little bit of light blue scattered about. Flurries and snow showers, a pretty good bet from time to time on Friday. So we go from nearly spring-like showers and storms tomorrow morning to a reality check on Friday with a few flurries and snow showers in the air. And those temperatures, they're going to be chilly, as highs on Friday will hover in the middle and also the upper 30s. Accumulations of snow, I don't think so. Little or no accumulation expected. Ground temperatures are way too warm and air temperatures will be above freezing as well. All right, this evening looks great. Partly to mostly cloudy, very mild. Those temperatures hovering in the 50s. Tomorrow, the first half of the day, that's when the shower and storm chances are the highest with the impact weather. And then the cold front moves through and things really start to cool off by the evening commute. And we get cold on Friday with a few flurries and snow showers in the air, your highs in the 30s. We come out of it though, Vicki. We're 42 on Saturday, a quiet day with lots of sun. Back to 54 Sunday, and for the holiday Monday, could be some afternoon rain, but temperatures next Monday, upper 50s to near 60 once again.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of all over the place, but just really one cold day, and then that's about it. More mild weather.
All right. Not bad. Thanks, Jay.
Sure thing.